Welcome to chapter 14. In chapter 14, we'll discuss about how to scroll up and scroll down. There are situations in which if we are not able to find the browser using web locators, then you might have to really do a scroll up and down to focus the web elements. Example, I'm going to run this test case here. Example, going to the website and login. When you run this test case, you see that, I'll put a breakpoint here for you to see that. Okay, I'll run it from here. Yeah, it hit on the breakpoint. Did you see that only a few portion of the page is right now available? So if I want to scroll down automatically, how do we do that? I'm doing it manually right now, but we have the page coming down below, and if it's out of focus, probably there is a chance that test case might fail, saying that unable to find the web element. In that case, we might have to really go for a scroll up and scroll down. In this case, scroll down. Okay, let's see how we are going to do a method created using scroll down, and we'll do the scroll up as well at this point. Okay, so for that, I'm going to again common1.cs file. So here I'm going to create a method called scroll down. Okay, now I have written a piece of code here to scroll to the bottom. So I use a JavaScript executor. JavaScript executor is one of the useful things that used for Selenium automation. You can use it in C#, even you can use in the Eclipse as well, Java as well. So here we are using a method called scroll to the bottom. For that, I'm using JavaScript executor, and this is the one I used to scroll from the index 0 till the bottom. Okay, till we reach the bottom of the page. Okay, this is the meaning of this one. Do why it is true. You keep on scrolling it down until the bottom page has been achieved. So this is a way. So if you want to scroll down to the middle, if you want to scroll down to some specific, you can mention that as well. I can discuss in detail about that in the later chapter. Right now I'm using scroll to the bottom, and for that one I am going to use this from a test case here. Scroll to the bottom, driver. Okay, let's run this test case now. It launched the browser, logged in, and you can see that now and scroll down to the bottom. I'll put a breakpoint at this scroll down bottom and see how does it works functionally. So similarly, I have created another function method here called as scroll up. It will scroll up to the 0, the position. Okay, so we have developed scroll to bottom and scroll up. Scroll up was very simple. We can actually build more sophisticated scroll up and scroll down, but this one is very simple method. You can use that as well. So now I am calling both scroll to bottom and scroll to up, and we'll put a breakpoint and show you how do we run this. Okay, so for that I'm going here and run debug test. Now it hit on the breakpoint. Now you can observe here. I'm going to click on F10 so that scroll to the bottom is happening. You can see right now the scroll bar is here. I'm going to press F10. I'm going to execute this line of code, piece of code, scroll to the bottom, F10. You see that it scrolled down automatically. Now I'm going to press F10 once again, and it's going to scroll up. Scroll up. So that's the way. I'll put the breakpoint back here and show you one more time. F10 again. Okay, so you did scroll to the bottom, scroll up, and clear the browser. So this is what all about I wanted to discuss, and thanks a lot for watching this video, and please subscribe us, and I will come with another chapter, another topic on the chapter 5. Thanks a lot.